Hey, Vegas? I think that's every dude's shoe for the pool.
Y'all crazy.
It's white Gucci slides.
All right, guys, so popular trends that should make a comeback, all right?
This
is our third video on this.
I like
They
it.
like this.
This
They
is a
like
good
this,
one.
all
We're
right?
going to have a discussion today.
All right, let's get right into it. Number 1, Evisu jeans.
Bring it back. Bring it back.
Those, yeah.
Bring it back. You had the
time.
first, so what?
One
Why?
time.
Did you used to rock this?
I personally rocked the Visus.
Yeah?
I personally rocked them.
Which
Okay.
ones?
I
Which
like
ones?
the ones with
super
the
loud
little
ones?
logo.
Big-
I
yeah,
like the
yeah.
little logo, but I was most in love with the big logo.
ones that go all the way
The
down.
one that goes to the cuff.
Back
Those
of
are
the shoe.
those are Soldier Boys.
You already know.
You spend that much money, obviously, you want to shine.
For the look, yeah.
I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, Raid Shadow Legends, one of the most popular online RPG games for PC and mobile. In this game, you're going to be training your team of characters to defeat your enemies. It's serious stuff. Super addicting, and the best part, it is free 99 to play. Not 99 cents, it's just free. In order to get new characters like this, super rockin', you're gonna have to open up shards, aka the game's version of mystery boxes. So right now I'm gonna be opening up 3 shards right in front of you. Let's see what we get. Serious. Oh. Is that my character? Woo! I got a hot zombie, and her name is Temptress. Better watch out. This is pretty fun. Oh! Got another girl. Her name is Witness. Thought it was gonna be Whitney, but yeah, Witness. All right, so last shard right here. Ooh! Oh! My goodness. It's a rotting skeleton. Challenge yourself to your edge in the ongoing tournaments. Compete against the entire raid community while fighting the Spider's Den, Ice Golem's Peak, the Almighty Fire Knight, or the Notorious Dragon in order to win awesome rewards and rare artifacts. To help you guys start off, if you hit that link in the description box below, you will receive 100,000 silver, 2 clan boss keys, 10 mystery shards, and a free character. After clicking that link, you will find all your rewards right here. This is only available to new players for the next 30 days. All right, so once again, huge shout out to Raid Shadow Legends. Let's get back into the vlog.
All right, so Evisu jeans, this was about, 8 years ago,
Yeah.
8 to 9 years ago. Huge when denim was, had the logos on the back pocket. This, if you guys don't know, was a very expensive Japanese brand that infiltrated just, hip hop culture. It was
That's
huge.
where I first
It was
saw
huge,
It was on
yeah.
the rappers.
On
All the
rappers and
were wearing
whatnot.
it.
Nah, they should come back. I don't know about the whole.
At the history lesson. Go ahead.
I don't know about the whole print all over the jeans.
The feather,
Yeah, yeah.
the feather looking
The
thing.
feathers or whatever they got going on, but they were kind of fire. Just the nice little subtle one on the back pocket. You sag a little bit. Just a
I mean, the
little bit, just
logo
enough.
is iconic.
Yeah.
The logo's iconic, and it's not like an ugly logo.
Yeah.
But it's also raw denim.
Yes.
Right.
That was when
That's
the
a
whole
big
raw
point.
denim thing
That
was
was
like
huge.
pretty big. It
Look.
was raw denim, but like elevated.
I mean, if you really think about it, it's pretty much like a hype beast, high-end pair of denim.
I think the trend was subtle enough where it could make a comeback. It doesn't look like super tacky.
Yeah.
And the quality was there. And right now, there's no hype dope denim. Remember,
Good
like,
point.
what
Rockin' Republics, True Religion, that
Oh,
kind of era.
no, don't bring those.
Robin jeans.
That was hype.
Robin
What about the
jeans.
Robin
That
jeans?
was hype.
Robin
Even True
jeans.
Religion.
All right,
Robin
so everybody, what,
on the
yay,
train.
We're all
nay?
for it,
All
man.
for it?
As long as the big logo doesn't come back.
Got it,
but
got
I feel
it.
like they're
Small
known
logo.
Keep
for
it
that
subtle.
though.
All right, so next up, man, this was when snapbacks were huge.
Ooh.
We had, Tyga with the Chris Brown song, Snapbacks Back.
Snapback back.
Even Tyga made his own song about it. There was a designer named Taz Arnold. He used to run with Kanye. He's the guy. We'll pop up the
Crazy
photo.
style.
It's crazy style. So he had a brand that he called Tisa. He would buy already existing snapback hats, like the older ones.
vintage
He would
ones.
throw his logo on it, and people would buy it from his Tisa brand.
Crazy.
For elevated, way expensive,
Just for
like
his
200 to
brand.
300.
Yeah,
Yeah, they
300.
were expensive. You guys know what I'm talking
Oh,
about.
for sure.
Was it like embroidered? Was it
Should
patched?
this
embroidered.
trend
It's
come
embroidered.
back?
Tan, how about you give
Were
a
you,
little history?
were you one of the top customers?
I was part of one of the top customers. For me, I just fell into the brand itself. I love the logo.
Colorful.
It was colorful. It was seen on obviously Tyga and Chris Brown when they were like
You
popping.
You were El Tigre.
I was El Tigre, man. I was
You-
Tisa out. I
you
was
were-
Tisa out.
He had the clothing and shoes.
You
too.
did.
I had the shoes and the clothing, and that to me right there you're just like you really fell into the brand because it wasn't like it was like a dope. Now that I think about it,
It was kind of like
shoes weren't that dope, and
was
the
like
shirt's not dope.
It was like an underground. You had to be in the know. It was to the point I bought the whack.
You bought a non-vintage snapback. You bought a remake Mitchell Ness.
It was
hat.
the whack hat.
But it had his
Just
logo
It had
on
his
it.
logo on it. Like that's how fell into the hype a little bit.
Yeah,
You know,
no, for sure.
fell
We all
into
did.
the-
We
all
all
right.
did. I mean, Big Sean was on it. Big Sean was big on
Sean
it.
He had the
He had the
t-shirt.
Bengals
Yup.
starter with
Yeah.
the
Yeah. Tisa Snapbacks trend comeback. Yay or nay?
Not specifically the Tisa ones, no, but the snapbacks. I've been getting a lot of vintage snapbacks lately.
For sure. For sure.
Yeah, because it
Sports
was
ones.
fitted caps for a while.
Yes.
It was fitted caps.
Yeah,
for a while.
Mhm. I think you were saying that the other day that it used to be snapbacks, it used to be fitteds, and then the snapbacks. And I think right now it's like in between.
Yup.
Which is a
Yeah.
good mix. I
Which
think.
is a good mix, man.
Yeah. I mean, what happened to Taz Arnold though? He's felt the F off. All right, Tisa Snapbacks. We're agreeing. Snapbacks make them come back. The sports
are cool.
ones, but
Right.
not the Tisa
Not
logo
Tisa
on them.
one.
All right, so next one. This one's infamous. Everybody has an opinion on this item or these two items, plus who actually wears them too. Gucci logo tees and Gucci slides.
Don't get me started.
Yeah.
I'm tired of seeing this Gucci,
Yeah,
Fendi,
same.
Prada, whatever it is. I don't like the Gucci look, man.
You don't like the Yacht Boys?
I don't like the Yacht
don't like
Boys,
it.
man. I don't like
Yacht
it,
Boys?
man. The ones that take a picture every time they're on a boat just to show their the
Just to
Gucci
show the
slides.
logo.
They're a boat rental.
But, oh,
Yeah.
For the day.
You don't think the people rocking Gucci slides are owning the
No,
boats?
it's like an entry level purchase into the
'em, girl.
brand.
Yeah.
There's
Tell 'em,
levels
short.
It's at the
to
bottom.
it.
It's at the
trying to
bottom.
get
Oh,
the-
No, no. I'm answering your question. No, man. Come on.
Yeah,
I'm trying to give them a little more credit.
You know, I think it's cheaper than the belt. That's why people be buying
Ooh,
them.
ow.
It's the next level of belt buckle boys.
Yeah, you
Good
get
point.
it now.
It's that
You get
entry
it now.
If you wear Gucci slides, I think you're just trying to let everyone know that you have money, or you got some money. You know what I'm saying? And it's not you're not breaking the bank, but you know
And
it's
are
entry
they-
level.
are
Like
they
you said,
even
entry
comfortable?
level.
But do you feel like the
Like, are they even comfortable?
It's not about Rich. It's not about the comfort.
Yeah.
We don't ever ask that.
It's about the
Branding.
swag.
It's
About
too
the swag.
expensive for me. I get 300 on slides.
Yeah, I'm good
But
on
yeah,
that.
compared to like a Gucci backpack, Gucci belt.
It's-
That's
it's-
what I'm
that's a
saying.
shit. It's
It's
entry
your
level.
in,
It's
it's
your
your
entry level.
into the
Yeah.
brand. It was to the point I was seeing them at round 2 or like
Crazy.
sneaker reselling sites were selling Gucci slides.
Yep,
Do you guys
that
like?
is a
Okay,
problem.
we talked about the slides. What about the tees? These
So
are big.
The tees.
These are the double G.
The double G. It's like you're
Don't like those
just
either.
blatant Gucci. shirt.
That's your YouTube thumbnail Gucci tee.
That's the
Every-
standard.
Every
Everyone
YouTuber
had
out
it
of
on.
here.
That's the standard I got money tee. It reminds me of Floyd Mayweather.
Click
He's
on
terrible
this.
at dressing, has no
Uh-huh.
fashion sense at all, but I think if I put enough money on, I'll look good.
Look, as stupid as this sounds, when it comes to the hundreds, it's considered cheap with designer.
It
Yes.
And if it's anything 1,000, that's like, oh man, I can't
Yeah.
I'm not
touch
touching
that.
So
yet.
it's a good
But
way.
anything thousands or anything hundreds, I feel like you could just
I'm spray
Get your
painting
feet
my
wet.
own
Get your feet
slides.
wet.
Yeah.
get your feet wet.
What?
I'm gonna spray paint my own slides, man. These are just 3 stripes.
So you
Easy.
want the look still?
I mean,
you just
if you
don't want
do
to.
want the look. I mean, it's just silly to me
Aesthetically, the white ones are kind of fire. Don't just the white ones. Go on.
I think the purple ones are actually
look
cute.
dope.
Hey, Vegas.
Vegas!
I think that's every dude's shoe for the
Y'all-
pool.
y'all crazy.
It's white Gucci slides.
You're not getting a girl
you.
with the Nike lunar slides.
With the
I wear
Oh,
Nike
I don't want that girl
slides.
anyway.
With
the
that being
fanny
said,
pack.
or the Adidas with the foam.
yeah.
with that being said, so the Gucci slides come back.
No,
No.
Come back, man.
I am perfectly happy
two
with
are
my
like-
$13
Depends where you
slides.
are in your life.
You two want
I
it.
think they're
Depends how much you can afford it.
ruined, but
Do you two own a pair?
I don't own a
Okay.
pair, but I like
Do
the
you
look
wish
of
you
them.
had a pair tan?
Not at all.
Okay.
We're just trying to,
Be a voice of reason.
voice of reason. There, you go. Exactly.
There you
All
go.
right, everybody say no.
Nope.
All right, so this next one right here, before we say what it is, I just want to acknowledge there is a core fan base for this brand.
Okay, okay.
I want to say it's still a classic. There's still people purchasing it. We're talking about being a trend, being hype, people clearing out the racks and whatnot. All
Some
right.
people out there might take it a little personal.
For sure.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
There's a
you-
disclaimer
you
for
give a
y'all.
warning.
I
You give a
have-
Like
warning.
Chelsea
I
boots.
have to
We've
say
seen it
this.
happen on the channel a few times. We're a little personal, but it's okay.
Yeah.
Let's see what it is.
Polo Ralph Lauren. Polo Ralph Lauren.
I love it.
Kanye.
And it ain't no Ralph though.
Bears. You know what?
Talk to 'em.
The
I like it.
stripes.
Talk to him.
Snow
Should
Beach.
should this trend come back? Because at one point it was reselling. At what point you were clearing out racks at Macy's? What do you guys think?
Can I bring up one item that I used to always find it was a hard time for me to find the right size?
What you looking for?
The 3-pack white tees
Oh man.
with the little.
I love-
yeah,
I
it
love-
was. It
Polo
was.
on the bottom?
Yeah, it was
That
that
was like
hype
the
to me.
Supreme Hanes.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It was like it kind of fits in the whole realm of like the Gucci slides, right?
Is
You
that
are
intro?
letting everyone know
Guilty.
your white tee's not no hands.
It ain't
Okay?
Guilty.
It's not a
Let him know,
Kirkland.
you-
It ain't a Kirkland
there.
tee.
You're on another
Me,
level.
I used to get so upset and sad when I would accidentally wash
Wash.
them and they would turn pink. The logo would turn pink.
I never had them.
I want to talk about how hyped it was.
Oh.
Kanye was wearing it. Everybody wanted to wear it. People
true.
were waiting at Macy's. This was like the Bon Marché even.
Clearing
Right.
out Macy's.
Bar
Yes.
Marché.
You wanted whatever polo they were wearing, whatever stripes they were wearing, down to the color combination between the polo and the shirt.
The yellow and baby blue.
The baby blue
Kanye.
for sure.
That
How many days did you wear that at school?
every day.
You
I
love that,
bro.
You love that polo.
I actually like the look of, Polo Ralph Lauren and everything because it's kind of like that, what's in right now, that, clean cut look, cut and sew,
That gentleman.
menswear look right now. Also, the colors were fire matching with SBs.
Right.
When you could
yeah.
match it was almost like matching jerseys with your shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you could match down to the stripe, down to the horse.
they have the colors for it.
Down
That's
to the
down to the
horse.
horse.
Oh, yeah.
Polo's always gonna be hot, but they're one collab away from being hype, from being sellout, from being I need Polo.
Maybe
in
they
my
need
closet.
Not a collab, but like an endorser like Kanye was.
Yeah, someone who's
Wow.
wearing it like at a bigger stage, wearing it at the highest level.
I think it should come back.
Okay.
I like the clean cut look. I feel like it's such a good middle way between streetwear and like designer. It's still affordable, but it's like nicer. Like you can go meet someone's mom wearing polo and still look young and fresh but clean. You know?
It's like a step above American Eagle.
you can still sag a little
Hollister.
bit.
Yeah, like 2 steps or 3 steps above. Yeah.
Right.
All right, so next one up, man, we got zipper track pants. Obviously,
There we go.
we brought up zipper pants.
There we go.
We brought up zipper pants. These are different. Track pants with the nylon and everything. With the zipper, it was big. Every, fast fashion brand was doing it. Yay or nay on this one?
When I hear zipper right off the jump, you got options. You can wear it flared out. You can wear it tapered. And when I think of that pant, the track pant with a little bit of piping,
Yeah.
it goes with any shoe. It goes with any look.
Yeah,
I think the
yeah.
tops that people wear with those pants wasn't the right top.
Can I say something?
Yeah, what you got?
I think Brandon just gotta leave some things in the past.
I'm gonna have to back my man up.
Thank you.
I like them. I like them because not everybody wants to rock like a Adidas little sweat track outfit. Something a little bit different.
Looking
little
like,
bit more.
Run DMC, huh?
Yeah, you want to get too old school with it.
feel
This is a little bit
How
newer
about
tapered
just
look.
regular track pants
Yeah.
without the zipper?
With just the little
Some of us
jogger
need the
bottom.
aeration. I like the options like my man was talking
Options.
about.
You know-
Maybe my ankle need a little breather.
Yeah.
As much as I don't like them,
You just opening up in the middle of the day and just flapping your ankle up. That's-
Maybe I
come
do,
on,
Rich.
maybe just
Option.
I was gonna say, as much as I don't like them, you gotta appreciate the option.
There we
You get
go.
to alter the way they look, the way they
Thank you.
stack. You don't gotta zip them all the way to the top.
No.
Look like bell bottom. I'm saying there are levels to how you zip them and how you kind of make them look
There's
on your
levels
shoe.
to it.
I like zipper everything when it comes to pants, actually.
Yeah?
But
Okay.
I feel like with the track pants, because they're already loose fitting, people wear them like too long. So then you have like a whole bunch on the bottom. So then
can't
maybe you
taper 'em.
have to.
You
Some
know
of
what?
us can't
You
help
have
it that we
to
have shorter
unzip it.
legs.
You know what? I will say this. I think the only brand that executed them correctly was Fear of God.
But how many other brands
I
are we
think-
talking about?
Every fast fashion brand that tried to mimic this look, in my opinion,
Failed.
failed.
what about minimal?
Oh man, come on, definitely Minimal. Probably the one that butchered it. One of the brands. I'm not saying. I'm saying a lot of brands. I'm saying the only brand that executed it was Fear of God.
And maybe
That's it.
that's-
They
Any
had
other brand.
They had
just
some
didn't-
fire ones. They had
yeah.
some fire
But maybe
ones.
that's
I'm
why I
not
don't
gonna
think they should come back.
Well, maybe
Because
we got
everyone's
some
gonna keep
time.
doing it wrong.
People can figure
I
it out
just think
now.
there's different ways of airing your ankles out, or tapering.
Different
Different. There's different things:
Yeah.
straps, buckles,
Buttons.
belt, buttons. But yeah, zipper track pants. Let me know what you guys think. All right, let's move on to the last one. All right, so this last one, this is kind of big. Within the discussion of fashion on YouTube,
Okay.
we have CDG Chucks.
Hearts.
Touchy
Kind of-
subject.
They're
Hardy-hardies.
saying the fashion, like fashion school dudes saying it's not the wave.
I get where they're
People are
coming
ruining.
from.
What do you guys
You
think?
get where they're coming from?
No,
Go
well,
ahead.
I'm saying I can understand where they're coming from because
Okay.
it's like, oh, I wear this, it's designer. Now you guys don't know anything about this brand, and now you're wearing the brand that I wear, that I work so
I like
hard
the
to
Gucci
wear.
sites.
Yeah, yeah. It's almost
yeah.
like
Okay.
you want to feel special when you rock them, but then when you see someone else that may not be into as much as
Yeah.
you're like, how could you? Like,
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
There's
yeah.
no way
Like,
you're
this
wearing
is my
those.
thing. Stay in your
That's
lane. This is my lane.
Fashion though.
In
Yeah.
general,
That's
right?
fashion.
In general.
That's
That's what I'm
fashion.
saying.
I think they're
man.
cute, especially for women.
Yeah,
mean,
I think they're cute. That's very snooty for people to be thinking like that. I think it's just very bougie thing to be like, oh, these are my fashions. They're Chucks with a freaking heart on it.
Yeah.
How much fashion can you really call that? They're Chucks.
I think it kind of went downhill when you just saw them everywhere. Like Nordstrom was.
Well, they kept restocking,
They
right?
kept restocking. Yeah.
Yeah.
At what point though, they were kind of like the hotness.
That's
For sure.
fashion.
Yeah.
It gets so hot. You
Goes like
want
this.
everybody wants them. What are they
Yeah.
gonna do?
And
They're
then
gonna produce
and then
for
they
everybody
produce
to
that
get 'em.
supply, and then demand.
Yeah.
And the demand gets lower.
I hear him and then I hear him.
Would you guys say? I think the type of people that you're referring to, they thought it was more exclusive, maybe.
They-
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
And then exclusivity just went out the door
Until
when
they saw everyone.
they
wearing
started
And so that's why
restocking more.
people who actually wore it before, you get kind of butthurt because now everyone else is wearing
Yeah.
it. It's just like
Butthurt.
OG sneakerhead.
Yeah.
Butthurt sounds like a personal problem.
It's just, at the end of the day, if something's hot, everybody's gonna start gravitating towards it.
Exactly.
And if you're one of the first ones on it, I don't see why you gotta get so mad.
Yeah.
That's why they have you seen that meme that was like, get you a friend that put
You-
This makes me sick.
I thought you fell asleep.
What
thought
were
it
you
was a
saying?
snore.
Get you a friend.
the meme that says, get you a friend that puts you on new music. That's one that
Oh,
you know what I mean? That's like,
exactly.
He's ahead of the curve.
And
yeah.
I don't think there's anything wrong with that.
Yeah.
I don't think anything
All
wrong
right.
with
So
that.
CDD Chucks, but the topic is, should they come back?
No.
We talked about a whole totally
Yeah.
new subject, but
I don't
should they
think
come
I
back?
don't think they need to come back, but I don't think there's anything wrong with them. That's all.
All right. So let them be or bring them back. You want them to go,
Let 'em be.
hype more,
Keep the restocks coming.
keep the restocks coming. All right.